Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the confirmed airdrop from MELD. This is a landing protocol built on Cardano blockchain, so this is a very interesting airdrop to do. And you also, besides the airdrop that is confirmed, you have one of the chances to earn 1 million MELD tokens. So like always in my videos, we are going to check a little bit about MELD and this confirmed airdrop, how you can apply to that, and then we are going to do it step by step so you don't miss any of the details that you need to know about this airdrop. So remember, MELD is built on Cardano, one of the top 10 crypto tokens in the crypto world, and this could be a very important airdrop for you. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well this is a MELD airdrop, this is an airdrop confirmed since July, so it's not super new, but you still can do it and you are 100% on the way to get all these prizes for the MELD airdrop. This is a decentralized and trustless lending protocol initially built on the Cardano blockchain using smart contracts and governed by the MELD token. It provides a fast, safe and transparent set of tools for anyone to lend and borrow crypto and fiat currencies. MELD is airdropping free MELD tokens to users who sign up and do simple tasks. Create an account at MELD, create a MELD wallet and send $1 worth of crypto to get 100 MELD tokens. Make more on-chain and off-chain activities to receive more tokens, and also you can get more tokens with refers, and one lucky user will also win 1 million MELD. So we are going to cover this Medium page. This is from the official site, and if you go to the MELD Twitter account, you are going to see that in the pinned comments they have the MELD airdrop, the official announcement with all the steps, so we are going to cover all this. But you also find this link on the post of my video. The website is meld.com, so this is a very important URL domain. So they bought this domain with a lot of funding that they have first. Here you can see the team. This is all open and transparent, and you can go to the LinkedIn page of each of them. So the project is legit, the advisors are legit. So this is a very big project with a lot of investors and partners. Even Cardano supported MELD at some point, and MELD is already in the market. Right now each token is 1 cent and 3 and is ranked at position 576. Started in the market on May of this year, and you can see the ups and downs are not so big right now. So even if right now it's at 1 cent and 3, you can see that was almost the double the 13th of July of this year, so 1 month ago. It was the double of value than right now. So from my perspective, everything looks good with the project itself. So now let's go to the step by step on how to get this airdrop. So for the particular case of MELD, step 1, 2 and 3 is you can show them some Twitter or X, in the Telegram to get the MELD notifications, and also in the Discord. So you are complete around the ecosystem of MELD in terms of community and notifications. Now, the step 4, we need to create an account on MELD.fi. So let's go to the website here. Let's click on Get Early Access Pass. Let's click on Apply Now. And you need to complete this information in order to create the account. So this is not KYC, but you will need to use your real data here if you want to have access. Then you need to complete this page after you put your information and click on Submit Application. You can see if approved, you will receive an email with instructions on how to complete your early access sign up. Please be patient. Approval may take multiple days, weeks, but actually it's not going to take that much time. You just need to go and check the email that is going to be sent to your account. So in the email you can see, you click the link on the email and you get the subscription confirmed. So now you need to wait for step 5, which is you will get an email with an access code to paste into your MELD D app. For me, after I sign up, it took like 5 minutes only, so you probably will get it also. And to use that code, we need to go to step 6, which is now we need to create a MELD app wallet. So go here to the app of MELD.com. Let's click here on create wallet and you will get the seed phrase. So put that information in a safe place. So after you copy the seed phrase and you put in the second step the seed phrase that needs to be confirmed. Here the step 3 is create a password, and you can see the wallet was created correctly. Now you are welcome to the MELD. Congratulations, your wallet is already here. Now you can see you are in the application connected with your wallet. Crypto fans, if you are liking this video so far, just take 3 seconds to click the like button. That helps me a lot on the algorithm on YouTube. And if it's your first time, please also click the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss any of the notifications of my airdrop videos that I cover weekly. So click the subscribe and the like button. Now we go to step 7, which is follow the instructions on the MELD app to validate your access code. So once we are here, we go here to get it now under the Neo Early Access. So click there. Here you need to put the access code that you receive in the email, and you can see, so after you do that, you need to follow this step. So here you can connect, for example, your MetaMask wallet, and from there you can select your Cardano, Ethereum, or even your MELD wallet to make the payments. So select any of these options that you want. Now that I am connected with my MetaMask, I will confirm and pay. I will do it from Ethereum mainnet, but there's a lot of gas fees here, so I recommend you to do it with another network. It could be Avalanche, MELD itself, or any other that you want. And you can see I already paid the congrats spot reserve. The 100 MELD tokens rewards is going to be soon into your wallet. So I pay it with Ethereum mainnet, but you can also do it with the Avalanche network. So this is also step 8, which is you will get the 100 MELD tokens. So our spot here is reserved, and you can see you will receive a confirmation email once you have processed your application. Now the step 9 is also get more tokens for doing on-chain and off-chain activities. Here is a tweet for the official information of the airdrop. But here you also can see it on the MELD airdrop on the website. So to earn more means that the more you participate, the more MELD tokens you get. You can do social tasks, weekly challenges. This is going to be done in Zealy. Then on-chain activity. So you can go here to check the MELD app and interact with the MELD app. And you can become an affiliate to get more traction too. So you can refer friends to get the MELD together. So if we go to step 10, which is complete the task on Zealy, you can go to the Zealy here. And the first one that you need to do is here, start here, where basically you need to put some information of your wallet and your email, the one that you used to create the account before. So after doing that, you can claim this reward, and then you will be able to start doing the other task, like follow accounts and tweet and retweet stuff. And step 11 is that one lucky participant will also win 1 million MELD. So that is part of the official announcement on the airdrop. So in addition to accumulative MELD tokens, participants also stand a chance of becoming a millionaire. This prestigious title comes with a grand prize of 1 million MELD tokens and additional perks including exclusive access to the MELD team, early access to MELD launch, and more. And one important thing here for the rules and guidelines are that you need to participate on the Zealy stuff. The user ranking will be determined by the combination of on-chain activities, social task completion, and the number of user refers via our affiliate program. So all these activities you are going to see it in Zealy, and the affiliate program is soon to be launched. It's already actually active at this moment. And for the social task, it's mandatory to use the hashtag of MELD airdrop, so that is also part of this. Everything is here in this link. This link is also here on the step 9. So if you have any doubts, you also can go to the Discord and the Telegram in order to get any information that is missing. But now that we have the access code and the early pass access, we are already participating on the airdrop. What is left to do is that you need to be active on the chain and be active on the Zealy stuff. And remember, this token is already in the market at 1 cent and 3. So you can speculate a little more about this, but you have the information here of this project. If you liked this video, remember that I have many more airdrops to do here on my section videos on cryptocurrencystate.net. So go to my website, check more of the airdrops that I am covering every week for you. Free airdrops to do, and some are paid airdrops on mainnet. And remember my subscriptions. I have a private Discord where we manage the high level of information. We have strategies there and many other things that I don't talk about in my YouTube channel. It's only happening in my Discord. And also I created an application you can subscribe to. It's very cheap and it will help you to apply to all my airdrops, add your custom airdrops from another sources, and get everything organized on your app. So this is a life-changing application for airdrop hunters. It's going to help you a lot to manage your airdrops. Guys, that will be all for this MELD airdrop. This is a confirmed airdrop and also the opportunity to get 1 million MELD tokens. That at the time of recording, that is $13,000. So it's not a small amount for one winner. So besides the airdrop, you can participate on that. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.